Hello everybody, good afternoon. We are actually going to the farm.
Yes, that is in the Red Hook, which
Red
is...
Hook, it's 2 hours from New York City.
Yes.
And tell me about the farm. What is there actually exactly?
So basically, we are going to a farm where there's a lot of like fruits to pick, like such as like there's apples, peaches, and I think today we are gonna do a blackberries and blueberries, and we are so excited because it's our first time actually, right?
What else? Yeah, what else do they have over there?
They have peaches, they have apples, they have corns, but like it's usually depend on are they ripe or ripe to pick it or no.
Okay.
Yeah.
And also this is the first video Zarifa recording outside, so let's see how it's gonna go. I'll see you guys over there.
Also, we got some milkshake. We stopped by Dunkin' Donuts. It's actually our first time trying, right, hubby?
Yeah, this is Snickers with Oreo.
Yes.
That's Majid choose that.
Yeah,
Shout out to Majid.
That's our friend's choice, so it was really good. Thank you. Okay, guys, we're in the back seat, and my hubby's here.
What's up?
And these are our friends. Amanda, aka Jamila, and this is my brother,
aka Uber.
aka Uber driver.
Salam everybody, we are good friends. Also, it feels like family to be with Zarif and Abdullah. Inshallah, you get to see our face more often.
Inshallah.
We were, quarantined, because of everything, but we're excited to be spending time with this beautiful couple, and may Allah protect them and guide them always. They are good workers. They are genuine people with beautiful hearts and beautiful intentions. So I'm really happy.
Mashallah.
And this is Majid.
Majid.
Yeah, I'm driving, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, Abdul Wahid family.
So this is Abdul Wahid family. Amanda, she's from Puerto Rico.
Yes.
And Majid, which is from Yemen, so that's really crazy mix. And Uzbekistan and Yemenis.
Wow.
So that's really
this car is full of international.
Yeah, you're like literally from like everywhere on the world. Yeah.
So, how you guys feeling?
We're in the back seat, we feel like we're in the VIP section or whatever, Okay guys, we just got here and we just parked our car. Look what we see. Oh my god, these goats are so cute. Hi.
I have a tour on the car.
Hi. How are you guys? Hi. Oh my god, he's coming here.
Oh, because he knows probably.
Well, if you could
Oh, he
take
used
this
to it.
and
Yeah,
eat
yeah,
it.
yeah.
Look, they came.
Abdullah, wallah.
I
She's
think,
pregnant.
Yeah.
say mashallah. His belly is big.
Mashallah.
Oh, look how cute is this one. Hi. I'm sorry, I don't have anything. Look.
I'm sorry, I would like to eat you. It is what it is.
I'm sorry guys, we don't have no food for you guys.
Imagine, where's my phone? Please, I need a picture. Like, this is a need.
Hi. Hello. Don't be scared. Hi. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, so right now we are trying to feed the goats. Oh my god, they're hungry, I think.
Woohoo!
Wallah, guys.
Look at that. That's oh, that's really
Subhanallah.
Wow.
Look, the other one is looking too, hubby. You should give some.
Huh?
He's looking, look. I feel bad. Maskeen. Look how cute.
Come here, baby. Yup.
Bismillah.
I'm feeding the baby.
That's crazy.
Okay.
One more. Okay.
Good job. We got him. Good job. Look how cute is this small one.
Okay, this guy eat too much. Now let's no.
Yeah,
Call his
real,
brother.
wallahi.
No, this guy eat too much. Let me feed your brother. Here, baby.
I feed all of
those
them.
are the babies.
Wow, subhanallah.
That's so cute.
Okay, that's it for you. Come on, man. You wanna fight your brothers? Look at that, crazy. Here. Hey, you are so selfish. For you one.
والله مليون بالأرض طايح.
Yeah. Come on, baby.
She's gonna tell you now. She put her glasses in.
Right.
She's like, let me pull it up.
Oh, this guy push you. Where's the pregnant? She's pregnant. Eat for your baby. No, don't throw it, man. This guy don't know how to eat.
They're gonna be happy to use it.
Maybe I wanna feed him. Come. Here, look.
Okay. Whoa!
You're not getting anything.
Get more.
Look, that's for you.
Who has more food?
I have.
Quara?
Stop.
Look at this guy is selfish. I told you.
Stop.
For real. This guy is selfish. Nothing for you.
Stop.
No, for real.
Come
This
over
guy
here,
is selfish.
Come over here.
No, nothing for you. That's it. Look. Here,
Look
here.
how cute is the white one. Baby, look, this is my favorite. Look how cute is it.
Okay, now your turn. Now your turn. Okay, that's it. That's it for you. That's it. No. Now the other one. That's it. See, that's fair. That's fair.
This is so cute.
You want to jump?
Okay, you can lick my hand.
Okay, hold.
Right now we are in the store and everything here is organic and I will show you guys. It's so pretty in here. Look at that. They got the raw honey. Oh my god, this looks so good. Ooh, I love raspberries. I think this one has to be my favorite section because I love drinking tea. Oh yeah, this one looks good. Relaxing tea. This one right here, this is a mix with a coffee and tea. This smells so good. And then that's with the flavor cherry, orange, and honey. I love this. Okay, you guys, look how pretty is this. I smell like honey and I see a lot of bees out here. Do you know how you call this? Tree?
Like a,
Is it tree or plant?
it's definitely a flower.
Yeah, but this is like huge. We saw it from over there and it was like really, really big. And then we were like, you know what? We have to take a picture. And then look, this is the best place to sit down and, you know, and pose. And look at the sun. Oh my god, I love this. It smells so nice in here. I love it. Oh, by the way, I want to show you guys what I'm wearing today. I'm so excited because this pretty dress is from Shein. Stay tuned for my video. It's still coming up, you know. And I'm wearing this little bag. How do you call this kind of bags? Belt bag?
It's like candy bag.
Yeah, so this is so you could wear this in
Oh, a
two
fanny
ways.
pack, like a
Yeah.
fanny pack.
Yeah, this is a fanny pack, but you could also wear this as a cross bag. So I just put this up. This was a gifted to me, so thank you. Anyways, I love this dress so much. I just wanted to show you guys my OTD, you know. Oh my god, it's so sunny. I don't know if you guys could see this clearly, but look how pretty is the sunflowers, and I love sunflowers. Look. Oh my god, this is so pretty.
What's one advice you would give in life to those who want to get married?
Always be patient
Patient, respect each other.
and look for your
Before
star.
love, is the patient, respect, and accept whatever they are, and accept how their religion, their culture, and everything the way they want, the way
Yeah.
you met them in the first time.
Mm-hmm.
And try to live for each other,
Yes.
you know?
Just try to make it best of it.
Yeah, don't be
of it.
selfish for yourself. No, right now you have a partner, you know. So
Okay guys, we are in front of the art gallery right now and look how creative is this. I never seen something like this. I feel like this is so unique.
That's made of what?
Trees.
Yeah.
The wooden trees.
Yes, but I don't know what they call. They have another name for it. That's what happened. Oh my god. Oh, this color. Look at the golden color.
But look at the tail though. It's like so like they made it like very
Yeah.
very like look like the actual horse.
And this is the small baby. This look like dinosaur. This
Yeah.
this look a horse.
No, I don't think this is a horse because look at the neck. The neck area is very tall. We just got to the art gallery room and it's so pretty. It smells so nice in here. The arts are really, really nice. Wow. It's heavy, hubby? It's heavy?
Elizabeth. For this for 800. This is for 800. It's ours.
Oh, that's $800, hubby.
From John Megfest for 3,000.
$3,000, this one.
Wow. This for 235.
Oh, this is pretty. This one, the key is so pretty.
Okay.
Oh, these are so nice. I love it.
Welcome to our farm. Now it's time for you to go.
We are pulling up. There you go. Here's our farm. Okay guys, we just pull up in here. So this side over here that you guys see are blackberries and in the other side we got a blueberries, right?
I think the cherry. The opposite.
Oh, is it the opposite? But you get the point. Anyways, but we got our baskets. So one is for the blackberries and one for the blueberries.
Let's
So
go.
Let's see. Yeah, they're so cute actually. We are so excited because this is our first time doing this, like picking up blueberries and blackberries. I mean, I have picked apples before and cherries in my country, but I never had to experience a blackberry and blueberry. So.
And I've picked one heart, and that's right here. And
Okay.
that's all I picked.
that's me falling for it.
That's guys. That is really crazy how you guys are matching the dressing, the flowers.
We weren't planning.
That is
at all.
crazy.
Yeah.
And there's without blend. And look at this guy. He has Skechers. I have Skechers. He has Adidas. I also have Adidas.
And same shorts. Look, denim
And
shorts.
oh yeah, the same short.
Wallahi,
You
we're
want
not
to
planning
record
for this one.
That's crazy. Wallah, subhanallah, good matching. Okay, let's go. Let's begin.
Let's get started. Look.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, this side we have to go
So
to
this is the blueberry, no?
that's the
This still
blackberries.
baby blueberry.
That's the blackberries. We have to find a place where there's a lot of ripe ones.
I think we should go the deep one. Deep
Yeah,
one.
deep. Because this is the
Look at
front.
this
Everybody come here. Oh, it's so pretty.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Where are we gonna start? I think we should walk.
That's for you.
Look. This is my first one. This is my first one. Look. It's so cute. Bismillah.
No, the first one you should eat it. Huh? Let's wash it and eat it.
Yeah, we could try
Guys,
them.
Come.
we cannot walk here through here
Why?
because look where you could walk.
Give me. Let me wash it.
This is a clear path.
Okay,
Zarifa.
try it.
So you
Okay.
Try it.
want-
Bismillah. Oh my god, they're so sweet.
Okay, let's go. What we have here?
Look, raspberries.
Oh, that's look good.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see the color you have. So this is black, which is the sweet one, right?
Yeah, look. These
The
are
red?
the ripe one. The red ones are not ripe yet.
okay.
Yeah. So we have to look for the black ones,
Okay,
darker colors.
Let's eat this one. Let's eat this one.
Try it. Taste
Yeah.
it out.
Yeah. Okay, try it.
Bismillah. It's so good.
It's sweet or sour?
The first one was a little bit sour. The next one was sweet.
Sweet?
You want
Okay.
to try them?
Okay.
Papi, there's a lot of ripe ones. Look. Look, if you come closer, look, they're hiding.
yeah.
The ripe ones are really, really hiding. Look. Look, these are so dark.
Come on, man. Come on, Zarifa. You better fill up this one. You have 2 baskets.
I got you.
You should
Habib.
do better than this. Come on, we need full 2 baskets.
Look. This is the big one. Look. Oh my, this is baraka.
Subhanallah.
Subhanallah.
Over here is very peaceful. Wow. Wow, look at this. We have one here. We're gonna get only the black one. Because
Happy.
the red.
Oops, I dropped it. Look, they are hiding. The ripe ones are hiding. I want to try them.
Okay, here, take this one. Ooh, what we have.
This is filling a lot, like fast.
Okay. What we have here, Amanda? Okay. Subhanallah. You know, Zarif?
Abby, look how big is this? Look. Oh my God, look. And this is so cooked.
You know, I've been actually when I was even young. I wish I used to live like in the farm with the
Yeah,
sheep and
it's so nice.
the village.
Mm-hmm.
The village vibe. That's what
Yeah.
we needed actually.
It's so fun to get out from the city and then just, you know, just enjoy in the peaceful moments.
And quiet, yeah.
Yes. Because we need it sometimes because, you know, when you live in a city like New York City, it's like so crazy.
It's stressful.
It's very stressful and it's like non-stop. Like the life don't stop at all.
Ooh. We have over here. That's all the way in. This is ready. So we're trying to get them. Wow, it's already far. Come, baby. Ooh. Okay, we got the one. Second one. Ooh, this is here is cooked. Look at the black one here. Okay. Oh, I can tell. Excuse me.
Oh, thank you, hubby. I love
I'm
you.
the tree
Why are you
for you.
surprised? We
Thank
just tell us
you.
to
I'm
put you
the
the flower.
cranberry.
Thank you. Okay, you guys. So we're so much baraka. You know, we found a lot of them.
That look good.
Yeah, this looks so good. Okay, y'all, we decided to stop by a cornfield by the sidewalk, and it looks really, really nice. This is definitely like reminds me of my country because we used to have a corn like just like this in our backyard. Look how pretty.
Where's the corn?
Look over here.
Oh, this is the corn.
Yes, this is so nice. But the ones that we had in my country, they were used to be like so tall. So I used to go inside when I was mad. Like I used to go inside and hide.
Wow.
That was my childhood. And they used to look for me. Like,
Zarifa
Zarifa, where are
Adventure.
you?
Used to be Zarifa Adventure, huh?
Yeah,
Tarazan.
that is one. Yes. My father used to keep these hares,
Okay.
and then you could make that, you could dry it and then drink it when you have a stomach ache. So he used
I
to
heard
drink
about
that with the teeth, this part, the hair only. Okay guys, so we are on to the second plan, which is to see a waterfall, and it wasn't that far away. Maybe we walked no, maybe like we drive like 10 minutes, right sister? Yeah, we drive like 10 minutes, so we are going to the waterfall. But it's so pretty in here. Look at my background. Oh my god, this is literally heaven. Like, this place literally reminds me of my country. Literally, like, when the place that I grew up literally had a street like this. I'm gonna show you guys right now. This literally reminds me of when I was young. Look, we had a street exactly like this, full of rocks, and I used to just walk around. Wow, look how pretty. Oh my god, did you guys hear that, the sound? I could hear the sound. Wow, you could go down from here. This is so pretty. Wow, subhanallah, it's so pretty. It smells so nice. Oh my god, look at it. Look how pretty is this. Subhanallah. This is like a God's creation, mashallah. We just took out our shoes and this water feels so refreshing. Oh my god, I love this. Oh my god, look at the bears. They're so scared. Oh my god, they're so cute. Hi.
There's two or more there.
Yes,
Oh my god, look at the sunset. Look how beautiful is this. Subhanallah.
there's one in Connecticut.
Wow, look at it.
Let's go to the Yonkers.
Damn.
Yeah, let me see.
This is beauty. Wow. We came to Cheesecake Factory to have a dinner.
I feel that's fine.
Appetizer came
that way.
in, mozzarella sticks.
Yeah, if you want to order or something.
Okay guys, the dinner is here. I got a carne asada with rice and some corn. Hubby, what you got?
I got beans with steak and a mac and cheese.
Ooh, looks good. And
What
she
is
got
the
the
cheese?
same thing. And he got, I think, french fries and steak.